Today we are going to be learning how to make crème brûlée. This is a French dessert. Let's start. We are going to whisk 6. Whisk 6 egg whites. Add tables. Only the white should stay in this bowl. And the yellow should stay in that bowl. We are going to need the yolks only. Just remove the white. You got it, yellow. Move the whites, and you got a yolk. Yolk is the yellow part of an egg. Now we are going to whisk the yolks. Now we are going to put 4 tablespoons of white, 4 tablespoons of white sugar. Tablespoon. 4, please. 1. 2. 3, 4. Now we put 1½ teaspoon of vanilla extract. One teaspoon and ½ teaspoon. Now whisk until thick and creamy. You can sort of start it to see it's thickening. Now we are going to go over to the stove. We're going to get our heavy cream. We're going to put 2½ cups of heavy cream into a saucepan. A saucepan is another word for a pot. One, 2 and a half cups of heavy cream. Now, we are going to stir over low heat until almost becomes a boil. Low heat. And we stir. After it almost comes to a boil, it's supposed to look like there's supposed to be some little bubbles starting to pop. There's supposed to be some steam coming out from it, which hasn't happened yet. I think it's almost ready. I see some bubbles. It's what it's supposed to look like. If you want this to speed up, put it at a higher temperature. After it is done, you are going to remove the cream from heat immediately. Stir cream into the egg yolk mixture. Beat until combined. So let's go get our egg yolk mixture. Mix it up a little bit more. Okay. And now, after it's almost to a boil, we are going to put it into the egg mixture. And the egg is sort of going to cook because the milk is so hot. Like mustard. Creme brulee is sort of like that. Now I think it's ready. I'm going to pour the mixture into the egg mixture. Now we are going to mix until well combined. Now we are going to set up a double boiler. We are going to pour this with water. A double boiler is basically a saucepan with a bowl on top. Fill the pot about 1/2 inch of water, just so the bowl's not touching the water. About that much. Then put it on the stove. Put our mixture on top. Now we are going to heat it to medium-high heat for 3 minutes. I got my kitchen timer here. Ding. Go all the way back, and then back to the number. What number is it? 3. Right there. I'm gonna set this right there. Okay. After 3 minutes, the mixture is supposed to lightly coat the back of a spoon. And then after it does that, remove the mixture from the heat. And then we are going to put it into these little creme brulee cups. But first, after it coats the back of the spoon, we're going to add the sugar. We will need to add 2 tablespoons of sugar. One, 2. This is my own recipe, that is called Judy's Recipe. Mix it up. After it's done, we are going to put it into the creme brulee cups. So let's get our oven pan ready. Here it is. We're going to put hot water for only 1/4 of an inch. It's hot. 1/4 of an inch, barely just filling the bottom. We're going to put these in. Okay. Put these in there. This will make 4 servings. I like this pattern better. These are 2-inch by 2-inch, by the way. Let's check up on our mixture. The timer looks almost done. If you have an oven like mine, you will need to set it to 300 degrees, which is basically everyone's oven. And let's mix a little more. And it's done. Let's turn this off. Let's check it with the stove. See how it's lightly coating it? That's how it's supposed to be. Now, we're going to pour the mixture into these. Before we